coming.
Oh, that fucking leg.
Ah, fuck.
That done.
Right. Get fucked now, alright, or I'll be calling the police.
Oh my god, man. I just can't jump. Oh my god. I just nearly broke my finger there. Ah! Swear to God. Fucking hand is fucked. Can't get the speed right and the wind has pissed me off.
Yeah.
I'm honestly thinking I might be better out like top acid. Like I'm hurting myself as it is.
Man, that was it.
Mate, I'm done. Mate, that was fucked. Mate, I just hit my face.